Hello, my name is Michael and I work at Neogen. I'd like to introduce fellow employees, Dr. Wagner and Brad. Hello.
Hello.
So we're here today to talk about Neogen's D3 detectable needles. What can you tell me about them?
Yeah, Neogen's been a trusted leader in providing solutions to fuel a brighter future for global food security. And with that said, our D3 detectable needles, they've been a proven solution to the industry for years in maintaining animal health and safeguarding the food supply.
And what are some of the features of the D3 detectable needles that make them so trusted within the animal health and food supply industries?
The main goal in designing the D3X was to make sure that we could shift the paradigm and be able to retrieve needles at the farm level. So the D3X was designed using the same technology as the D3 needle. We have the thick-walled cannula plus the metallurgy that's highly detectable at the processing plants. However, we've added a layer of protection at the farm level that allows them to go in and extract the needle without using any extra tools. The highly visible extraction collar that's been added to the D3X needle allows the personnel to be able to see a broken needle if it's in an animal and easily go over and extract it out of that animal without using any pliers or any other certain tools.
Why are those extra levels of protection that the D3X has against needle breakage so important?
In the event a standard needle breaks on the farm, that fragment embeds in the subcutaneous or muscle tissue of the animal with the potential to migrate to other areas of the body. So at the farm level, the standard operating procedure would be to tag, mark, or euthanize that animal. With that said, there's constraints involving time, labor, and restraint. And with that being the case, there could be a failure to identify that animal that could lead to unintended consequences. If you think about these unintended consequences, that could be an animal showing up at a processing plant with a needle fragment within it, or worse yet, discovery of a needle fragment within product by the consumer.
So how does the D3X needle compare to other needles within the industry?
The inception for D3 was for durable, dependable, and detectability. With the inclusion of the D3X into the line, we've added a dual detection with the addition of a highly visible extraction collar. The trademarked red extraction collar is designed to remain intact on the broken needle within the animal and prevent its disappearance into the subcutaneous or deeper tissue.
With that said, Brad, the simple removal technique eliminates any veterinary costs for extraction or loss associated with condemnation of the animal. The extraction collar can also serve as an early warning indicator to personnel that the needle has been compromised and that replacement can occur prior to failure.
I think it's clear the future of detectability is here. Make the switch to D3X today.